hobbyists. This project has taken a little longer than planned. The Tamiya Sand Scorcher is the last of the 3 vehicles kindly donated to us by the RC Elf, and as such I wanted it to look great. The reason this took a while, apart from the fact that we all love a good bit of procrastination at times, is that I wanted to get some other projects completed first, and with this year's winter being so wet, it's been tough to get the painting done. There's been other distractions also, and they are connected, so in a usual RC so-and-so way, here goes. Over the winter I watched Get Back, the Beatles documentary. I'm not overly into the Fab Four, but I love a good music documentary, and no doubt this will come up again in the future. Anyway, Get Back is basically the Beatles smoking cigarettes and eating toast and marmalade for over 2 hours, and it was compelling TV. I have a new respect for the members of the Beatles, and now also have a mild addiction to marmalade myself. The Beatles at the height of their success were global dominators, and I'd be surprised if you could find anyone at that time period that had not heard of them. One of the fans at this time was Charles Manson. It could be said that he loved the White Album, as he felt this was the soundtrack of his prophesied apocalypse. For him, Helter Skelter was all about an up-and-coming race war in America, and part of the plan was to have dune buggies patrolling the Californian beaches. In reality, Helter Skelter was nonsense lyrics, as the Beatles exceeded in these. The idea behind the song was Paul McCartney reading an article about The Who, and in an alpha dog sort of way, he wanted to produce a heavier track than they could, maybe to show dominance, or maybe just to show he can. Charles Manson got the wrong end of the stick. The point being, I wanted my Sand Scorcher to be darker and more intimidating than others out there. I wanted it to have an edge, so I used 7 shades of grey on it and whacked in a BZ motor, and it's ready for the beach. The Paul McCartney, Charles Manson nonsense dune buggy is ready for action. Let's see how it handles. I must say I love the way how it screams like a banshee, but I definitely will have to have a look at the steering mod on this. But all in all, for the first run, pretty successful. So you don't miss out on further videos and similar nonsense, please like, feel free to comment, definitely subscribe, and press that bell-shaped thingy to be woken up at all hours for further content. But for now, that's your lot.